Speed guitars is blowing up again, and today I will show you how to master that style before you miss out on the hype. We'll be breaking down that classic Notion style remix that you hear all over TikTok. We'll be using a professional cover vocal from my other business, Cover Me. So let's jump straight into it. Let's go to Cover Me and pick a vocal. I came across this cover vocal of Right Round. Sounded like this. This vocal is really easy to use, clear licensing, royalty free. So I dropped it in FL Studio at around 145 BPM. The vocal sounds already perfect out of the box. So it's just a matter of dropping it in and fit it to the tempo. So this will be our foundation of the remix. Now we're gonna start off with designing the bass. So first, let's start off with designing the bass. I got a Serum loaded up. Start off with 3 saw waves. Oscillator A gonna be 2 octaves down, -1 and +7 semitones for oscillator B. Already giving that harmonic feel. And then +1 for the sub oscillator. Then the key for a detune sound is to fine tune them opposite of each other. Just like this. Filter it. Around 1 to the cutoff with a really high rate to give that sort of vibrato feel to it. Then it's just a matter of distorting, OTT it, and roll off the high end. Mod wheel to the reverb and delay. Then for the MIDI, we're gonna follow the MIDI of the original. So we're gonna root, going up to the 3rd and back to the 7th. And the second time we're gonna go up to the 4th. It's all really simple about it. It does the job. So then just add some distortion. Big sidechain. And a filter to use in the breakdown. So that's it for the bass. Now we're gonna continue with the drums. So first we're gonna dive the basic drums with this kick, open hat, and clap, by creating just this simple rhythm. Then we're gonna end in the groove with a closed head and a really low volume. So it's more of you can feel it instead of you can hear it. To humanize it some more, get it slightly off the grid like this and just copy it over. And then we're gonna take the stop loop and cut it up like this to add some more groove to it. Then duplicate it and make a small clap fill right here with padding to the left. Again, duplicate it. And then some more drum fills at the end. So I dropped in this snare loop from the speed pack together with some high energy crashes. And then to keep it interesting, I added this right loop from the pack as well. You can barely hear it, but it's just a matter of stacking the drums. So that's already it for the drums. Altogether they sound like this. We got a drum foundation ready, so now we're gonna work on the build up some more. So first let's copy over the drums to the first and the build up. And let's create a stripped down version in the build up. So first remove the kick. And I think I only want to use the clap in the first 4 bars.
I know the storm is coming, my pockets keep telling me it's gonna shower. Call up the homies, it's on and popping tonight cause it's meant to be ours.
And let's extend the snare wheel we used earlier.
Telling me it's gonna shower. Call up the homies, it's on and popping tonight cause it's meant to be ours. We keep a fade away, shaka we.
It's this one. So now it's just a matter of filling it up some more. First let's drop in some downlifters.
I know the storm is coming, my pockets keep telling me it's gonna shower.
So I also added in this string from Labs. Something like this, and just play an A minor chord without a C.
I know the storm is coming, my pockets keep telling me it's gonna shower. Call up the homies, it's on and popping tonight.
Just mixing it volume wise so you can barely hear it. And also drop in the bass.
Always on gold. I know the storm is coming, my pockets keep telling me it's gonna shower.
And remove the sidechain in that part. And
I know the storm is coming,
bring back in the filter we made earlier.
Call up the homies, it's on and popping tonight cause it's
let
meant
it
to be
open up like
ours.
this. So I just copy over all the automations with a bass filter and a smell from the drum bass. Giving this effect. So that's it for the build up. Now I want to work some more on the drum bass. First, add some distortion. And mix it in a proper volume. Compress it some more. And a little bit of soft clipping to squeeze out the loudness. And then I think I want to use another bass for the intro. Otherwise it will get too repetitive. So let's add in a new Serum. Go to the speed sample pack. And let's go for this organ bass. Work on a MIDI. I want to use an offbeat bass like this. Right now it makes no sense, but with a sidechain it sounds like this. And then go up to the third and down to the seventh. Mixing some more with some distortion. Compression. Delay. And get rid of the high ends. Something like this.
Walk out of the house with my swagger hopping, there we go. I got places to go. People to see, time is precious. I look at my Cartier out of control.
And copy over that
fix. Where I'm going, no women, no shorties, no nothing but clothes. No stopping now, my Pirelli's on roll. I like my jewelry that's always on gold.
Together with a EQ automation like this, just to make a smooth transition.
I like my jewelry that's always on gold. I know the storm is coming, my pockets keep
it's
telling
really
me
solid.
it's gonna shower.
Really like it so far, so now we just need to fit it up some more.
Hey, shorty must know I'm the man, my money lover like a #1 fan.
So first I add in this choir sound from Labs, something like this. Let's bump up the volume a bit more. And paste in the bass MIDI and just turn it into a full chord. And I think I want to inverse them to spread out the range some more. Yeah, that's solid. And I also added this ambient trumpet pack, just a simple string ambience. And just mix in the choir. Like this. So then I think we have all the elements ready for the track. Now it's just a matter of arranging it. So first let's copy over the EQ automation like this. And it's just a matter of duplicating it like this.
Hey, shorty must know I'm the man, my money lover like a #1 fan. Don't open my mouth, let her talk to my bands, my Benjamin Franklin's. A couple of grams, I got rubber.
Yeah, that's solid, really flows well. That's it for the track. I think the final result turned out really dope, so let me know what you think about it as well in the comments. Besides that, if you want some more cover vocals yourself, check out Cover Me, and I'll see y'all in the next videos.
Yeah, walk out of the house with my swagger hopping, there we go, I got places to go. People to see, time is precious, I look at my Cartier out of control. Just like my mind where I'm going, no women, no shorties, no nothing but clothes. No stopping now, my Pirelli's on roll. I like my jewelry that's always on gold. I know the storm is coming, my pockets keep telling me it's gonna shower. Call up the homies, it's on and popping tonight, cause it's meant to be ours. We keep it faded with Shaka, we ballin' this platinum Patron every hour. Mama, oh, you just like the flowers, girl, you the truth with that goodie power. Cause you spin my head right round, when you go down, down. You spin my head right round, when you go down, down. From the top of the pole, I want you go down. She got me throwing my money up. Ain't nothing more beautiful to be found. It's going down. The top of the pole, I want you go down. She got me throwing my money up. Ain't nothing more beautiful to be found. It's going down.